Blank the heavy rain, the football game continued as scheduled. A. Respite. B. In spite. C. Despite. Or D. Except. Same meaning pero depende sa construct of sentence. Pag off po ay in spite siya. Yeah? Same po sila. Yeah, synonymous with each other regardless. So for number 9, blank the heavy rain, the football game continued as scheduled. A. Respite. B. In spite. C. Despite. Or D. Except. Edwin, Jane, C. Tabula rasa, B. In spite lang to. Actually that's incomplete. In spite. It should be in spite of. Thomas, C. Abayon, A. Respite. Is it respite? Di ba yung respite means rest or relief? Then yung except, we've already discussed about that a while ago. Except naman, exclusion. Excluded. Di ba? Exclude. So, niremove na natin siya. The respite and except. Again, dalawa na lang yung ulit yung pamimilian. Same case scenario with number 8, right? C. Is it A? Respite? Blank the heavy rain, the football game continued as scheduled. Again, the respite means rest or rest the heavy rain. Is it like that? Or relief the heavy rain? Except naman, except the heavy rain? Hindi siya, obviously. So for number 9, again, correct structure, despite plus noun phrase. With this one, despite plus the heavy rain. Again, yung sinasabi ko nga kanina, in spite alone, that's incomplete. Should be in spite of. So for number 9, you are correct if you say despite.